Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Ever found yourself standing in the appliance aisle, torn between a juicer and a blender? Wondering which one will truly elevate your health game or simplify your daily routine? You're not alone. These two gadgets often spark debates among smoothie lovers, juice fanatics, and home cooks alike. Both promise to pack more fruits and veggies into your diet, but they do so in wildly different ways. In this deep dive, I am breaking down the juicer versus blender showdown to help you decide which deserves a spot on your countertop. From functionality to health benefits, I've got all the juicy details. Pun intended. Functionality. Let's start with the basics. What do these appliances actually do? A juicer, often called a juice extractor, is designed to separate the liquid from fruits and vegetables, leaving behind the pulp, seeds, and skin. It squeezes or crushes the produce to extract a thin, smooth juice that's easy to sip. There are two main types: centrifugal juicers, which use high-speed blades to separate juice through a mesh filter, and masticating or cold-press juicers, which slowly crush and press produce to maximize juice yield with less heat. On the other hand, a blender processes everything you throw into it, pulp, seeds, skin, and all, turning it into a thicker, often creamy consistency, like smoothies or sauces. Blenders use high-speed blades to pulverize ingredients without separating anything, making them a one-stop shop for a variety of recipes. So if you're after pure juice, a juicer is your pick. If you want the whole fruit or veggie in your drink, go for a blender. Texture. Texture is a game changer when choosing between these two. Juicers deliver a light, smooth liquid with no pulp. Think of a refreshing glass of orange or celery juice that goes down easy. This pulp-free result is ideal for those who prefer a clean, thin drink. Blenders, however, create thicker, more substantial beverages because they retain all the fiber and bits of the produce. The result is a smoothie with a creamy or sometimes gritty texture, depending on the ingredients. If you're blending something like a banana or avocado, which can't be juiced easily, you'll get a hearty, filling drink that's more like a meal than a beverage. Your preference for texture, light and liquid, or thick and filling, will heavily influence your choice. Nutrient retention. Now, let's talk health benefits, because that's often why we invest in these gadgets. Juicers extract a concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals from produce, and since the fiber is removed, your body can absorb these nutrients faster. This makes juice a quick energy boost, especially useful for detoxes or fasting. However, the downside is the loss of fiber, which is crucial for digestion and feeling full. Blenders retain all the fiber, since they process the entire fruit or vegetable, offering a more balanced nutritional profile that supports gut health and satiety. While juicing gives you a higher veggie-to-glass ratio due to the lack of bulk, blending ensures you're not missing out on the full benefits of whole foods. Experts often lean toward blenders for overall nutrition, but juicers have their place for specific goals like quick nutrient hits. Health benefits. Diving deeper into health, both appliances shine in their own way. Juicers are often favored for juice cleanses or when you need a concentrated nutrient boost without taxing your digestive system. They're perfect if you struggle to eat enough veggies, as you can pack more into a single glass without the bulk of fiber. However, the lack of fiber means you might feel hungry sooner, and some nutrients may be lost in centrifugal models due to heat and oxidation. Blenders, by contrast, keep you fuller longer thanks to the fiber aiding digestion and providing sustained energy. They're a better choice for a balanced diet since you're consuming the whole ingredient, not just the juice. Neither is inherently healthier. It depends on your needs. Want a light, fast-absorbing drink? Juice it. Craving something filling with all the goodies intact? Blend it. Ease of use. When it comes to usability, blenders generally take the win. With a blender, you toss in your ingredients, press a button, and you're done. No babysitting required. They're straightforward and quick for everyday use. Juicers, especially masticating ones, often demand more attention.
You may need to feed produce in slowly, one piece at a time, and prep work like peeling or chopping can add to the hassle. Centrifugal juicers are faster but still require monitoring. If you're short on time or patience, a blender's simplicity might be more your speed. However, juicers like the Sierra cold press model with wide feed chutes and powerful motors are making strides in reducing prep time by handling whole chunks of tough ingredients like ginger or carrots.
Cleaning. Cleaning is where many people draw the line. Blenders are typically easier to clean since they have fewer parts. Many models are dishwasher safe, or you can simply rinse the jug and blade after use. Juicers, on the other hand, often come with multiple components, strainers, pulp containers, and augers that need thorough scrubbing to remove stuck-on pulp. This can be time-consuming, especially with centrifugal juicers that have mesh filters. While some modern juicers aim to simplify cleanup, blenders still edge out for convenience. If low maintenance is a priority, a blender might save you from post-juice frustration. Cost. Budget plays a big role in this decision. Blenders are generally more affordable, with options ranging from budget-friendly portable models to high-end powerhouses like Vitamix, which I've explored in past content projects. You can snag a decent blender for a fraction of the cost of a juicer. Juicers, particularly cold press models, tend to be pricier due to their specialized extraction technology. Even entry-level juicers often cost more than comparable blenders because of the added complexity of separating pulp. If you're watching your wallet, a blender offers more bang for your buck, especially since it doubles for other kitchen tasks beyond drinks.
Versatility. Versatility is where blenders truly shine. Beyond smoothies, they can whip up soups, sauces, nut butters, and even crush ice for cocktails. Their ability to handle a wide range of ingredients and recipes makes them a multi-purpose tool in any kitchen. Juicers are more limited, primarily focused on extracting juice from fruits and veggies. While some models, like the Sierra cold press juicer, can make nut milk or handle tough ingredients, their scope is narrower. If you're looking for an all-in-one appliance, especially for content creation around diverse recipes, as I've done with personal blenders, a blender is the way to go. But if you're a juice purist, a juicer's specialized function might be exactly what you need. Waste. Let's talk waste, both in terms of food and space. Juicers produce a lot of pulp, which is often discarded unless you repurpose it for recipes like muffins or compost. This can feel wasteful to some, especially since you're tossing out a significant portion of the produce. Blenders create zero food waste, since everything is blended into the final product. From a countertop perspective, blenders often have a smaller footprint, though some juicers like the Sierra model are designed to be compact despite their vertical design. If minimizing waste, both food and space is important to you, a blender might align better with your values.
So, which one should you choose? So, where do we land in this juicer versus blender battle? It's not about one being better than the other, it's about what fits your lifestyle. If you're all about quick nutrient boosts, detoxes, or just love a sleek glass of juice, a juicer is your ally. Models like the Sierra cold press juicer show how far juicing tech has come, with high yields and nutrient preservation. But if you want versatility, fiber-rich drinks, and an appliance that does more than one trick, a blender wins hands down. It's a staple for smoothie fans and recipe creators alike, as I've noted in my kitchen appliance comparisons. Consider your goals, health, budget, or kitchen space, and let that guide you. Both gadgets can transform your diet, but only one will feel like the perfect fit. Which side are you on? Drop your thoughts below, and let's keep this tasty debate going.